Atlanta Avenue. Atlanta Avenue. It's so much shit that get in, you better mind your business. Atlanta Avenue. Atlanta Avenue. Atlanta Avenue. It's so much shit that get in, you better mind your business. Atlanta Avenue. Atlanta Avenue.
I'm on that OT, I'm drinking OJ. I fuck with Jose, this is that Rose. She want that folk play, hit that Chipotle, back to the four-way. Nah, for real, they in my business. I know they snitching, these niggas fishing, but I'm not a bait. I know these niggas gon' hate. I'm on the L with the 8. I might just listen to Drake. I'm dropping moving like tape. They tryna say I'm the great. They tryna say I'm the GOAT. I'm tryna tell them I know. I been my mama for real. I been my mama for sure.
So I can get up inside, see where else I gotta handle. I got my gloves right here. So basically, wherever, see, there go the switch right here. You know, I just about to take the switch out. You know, flip the switch already out. See, then I can unscrew these screens, the ties, untie this little screens and stuff, and get up inside there. So basically, and I'm gonna take that part right there off. So basically, I'm just taking a whole filter of this AC off.